Hello, my name is Mark Bouchard and I am the inventor of the Mobilizer One. During the process of bringing this rehabilitation device from an idea to now, many people have asked what my background is. Many are surprised to find that I have no academic background in engineering or science. My sole motivation was to help my daughter walk. Carolina was born with cerebral palsy, and we were told that she would never walk properly. My daughter's physician and the head of physio told us that under no circumstances would we have achieved the results that we have without using the Mobilizer One. We know the importance of the Mobilizer One because we've experienced the results. We also believe that when the Mobilizer One is used in physiotherapy or massage or hospital rehabilitation settings, the recovery time would be cut dramatically. We all know our medical system is stretched, but by using the Mobilizer One, people would get well faster. That reduces hospital time, which in turn saves money for the medical system. The Mobilizer One is CSA approved, and now let me show you more about the Mobilizer One. Hello, this is the Mobilizer One. Right here is the main panel of the Mobilizer One where we enter the program. What with it for the forward, reverse, the revolutions per minute that the pedals will do. It also has a built-in sensor that if anybody has a cramp of any kind, it automatically shuts off so that it keeps from anybody getting hurt. We also have an emergency button. Anytime you want to shut it off, anybody, spotter or the person themselves, they may do so. We have a sub panel that just for adjusting the variable speeds or shutting it off or forward reverse. It's just accessible for the person using it or the person that is with them. Now we have here the access rail for going forward and backwards for depending on the person who they are. We were told that the seat had to go forward and reverse, up and down, forwards and backwards, because every single person is different. So it's on a pneumatic cylinder for up and down. We have the adjustment for forward and back, and we also for the seat, so that it'll do whatever anybody wants it to do. After we found what it is that they want, we just lock it in with a pin. That keeps it from moving from anywhere that it has to go. It also has adjustable rails so that anybody that needs to be in it, they have this just for support. We also have wheels on the back that can be activated so that it's for easy movement. Now I'm going to put somebody on the mobilizer and show you more of its functions. Thank you very much. Hello, this is my friend Bev, and this is the function of the Mobilizer One. The concept is to use the inner thigh brace to maintain alignment of from your hips down to your foot. This makes your hips do more work in the exercise to keep the function happening. The pedals, as you can see, there to make sure that her feet doesn't come out. And the whole concept is while she's doing it, you got to understand that your feet are like manual pumps that pump circulation through your body. And if they're active, your body's active. If they're not active, you're not active. So when you're on here and you're doing this, you would go forward, you go reverse. Reverse is probably 20 times more important than forward because most people are pretty used to their brain functioning and them just going forward. No matter how it is, they can go forward. But reverse, it doesn't happen. So when you get the idea of being able to do and move your hips and everything, it helps very much with your equilibrium, and that's very important. So with that being said, you would It has variable speed, so that once you can get going and you're circulating and everything is doing fine, then you slow it down so that you just start pushing on the pedals, putting a little pressure, building up muscle in alignment to where you're supposed to be, so that when you do get up, you get up in a positive manner and you're doing what you're supposed to do. We've connected with the concept of 3D vision, which is done with a wireless headset, 3D glasses, and a 47-inch screen. The idea is to create endorphin and to relieve stress and take your brain out of the equation and let your body learn to do what it's supposed to do while you're enjoying and creating endorphin. This is our basic concept, and we've had great results with it. We understand that if you took this and made a mini mobilizer out of what we have here, you would end up being able to take 3- and 4-year-olds and put them on it, and get them to learn how to walk and move their muscles the way they're supposed to move in a very passive manner. These kids would end up finding out that they can walk and that they have the possibility. You don't want to use a walker, because a walker, when you go to walk on it, you are building stress, a false gait, because of the pain and everything that goes with a walker when you have to get up. This is what you want to do before you get up. Thank you very much.